Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a tiger cub. So first, you're going to draw a circle for the head, like this. And you're going to draw most of an oval for the body, like this. Then inside the head, you're going to draw two smaller circles. Then inside the eyes, you're going to draw two even smaller circles. And then below the circles, the two small circles you just drew, you're going to draw even smaller circles. And I'll show you. This is how it looks. And you're going to color in the eyes, but don't color in the smaller circles you drew inside the eyes. And if you want, you can add eyelashes. I'm going to add some. That's optional. Like this. And you're going to draw them out. Like this. This is how it looks. And if you want, you can draw like kind of a triangle for the nose. Like this. It looks kind of like a cat. Then you're going to draw most of a triangle for the ears. You can make it look kind of like a cat, but it's going to be kind of different. Like this. Then for the legs, you're going to go down inside the most of the oval of the body. Curve and come back up. Like this. You're going to do the same thing for the legs, but they're going to come out. They're going to be fatter and shorter, and they're going to come out like this. Then you can draw a tail kind of like a cat's. But it's going to be like just round at the end. I'll show you. Like this. And now you're going to draw the stripes. They're going to be like triangles around its body and on its head. Even on its ears, you can draw some tiny triangles. Like this. I just drew triangles in. Now you're going to color the triangles in. They're going to be black. So you can just color them in. You can make them black, or you can just use your pencil or marker if it's black. Like mine's just like a normal pencil, which will work nice. Doesn't matter. Oh, I forgot to. I'm going to draw some stripes, triangles on the tail, like this. Now the rest, so inside its ears, I'm going to color it like pinkish red. Its nose, I guess, can be kind of pink. Like this. And the body and the legs, the tail are just going to be orange. I got two oranges here to see which one works best. I thought this one works pretty good. Almost done, just finishing its head and its ears. I'm done. This is how my tiger cub looks. Bye bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.